no. Right. So you've turned over tomato. Turn over another card. Turn it over so you can see it. Put it down. Put it down. No. Put it down where in its face. It says, right. Is that a pear? Right, so turn them both back down again. Like your game does. That's it. Now pick another card to turn over. Right, you've got to keep them in their faces, darling, so they don't get lost. Orange. Cherry. No. Right, turn them both back over. Orange. Oh. You made them snap. Right, take those two out and put them to one side.
Hannah?
Right. Keep going then. And you know how to do it.
Oh, apple. No. It's back down again. Cake. Yay! What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well done. Right, next one. To go.
Nolly.
Hannah?
Apple. Sweet corn. Because there was hair.
Hooray!
Hooray! No worry, Ma. You're not having my cards.
Well done.
Got 3 pairs.
What did you get last?
Sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
Keep going.
You like sweet corn?
Yeah.
Carry on then.
Yeah!
Banana. That's my favourite.
Mine.
Your too.
Come on.
Nope. Hit that one like that, because I've got to buy one.
Well done.
Well done.
Hooray!
You're doing really well at this.
Good remembering.
Hooray, hooray, hooray. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Now we've got... Oh, God!
We've got 5.
5!
Right, you've done half of them, so you've only got those ones left.
But see,
Why did you see it?
didn't know.
You have to remember. That's why it's called.
No. No, but cover the cheese up.
Oh!
Got to start again, haven't you?
Right.
Tomato, apple, sorry.
Tomato.
Apple.
Well done. Well done. That's exactly the right thing to do.
Now I got 5!
But if you do this quickly, we might be done within 5 minutes. That'll be a record.
And then we can watch the video.
No, not right now. We're going to go to nursery after that, and then I'll show you the video later on.
Come on then.
2 breads.
Well done.
No, I got 7.
7.
What have we got? 2 cherries.
That made
Right.
8.
Well done.
No.
Well done.
Which leaves?
The last one.
which is a and a. Well done.
Well done, Hannah.
Record!
Right, Hannah,
For your first
give yourself a
time.
clap. Or not.
Stand up. Careful, Hannah. Be careful.
Clap.